These are the two adapters, and this is the bad one.
This is the bad one.
This is the bad one. The vents are not operating good.
This is the lowest stand,
The lowest.
and now I give the highest stand.
Now we turn it on high, and it's the same result. There's no difference.
And now we take the
Now we take
other adapter
the other adapter.
in the lowest stand.
And you see and hear the difference.
And now in the highest stand.
And in the highest stand,
So the adapter, the first adapter is
not good.
not good.
It's not good. This is how it should be.
Thank you.
Thank you.